The Silent Patient, Alex Michaelides, a psychological thriller, unravels a chilling tale of silence and secrets. Stay with us till the very end, because what you are about to discover will completely change the way you think about this topic. Most people miss this crucial information and end up making costly mistakes that they later regret. In The Silent Patient, we dive into a world where art and psychology intertwine, leading us through a gripping narrative filled with suspense and intrigue. At its core, the novel tells the story of Alicia Berenson, a talented painter who inexplicably shoots her husband Gabriel 5 times one evening and thereafter refuses to speak a single word. The mystery of her silence and the events leading up to that night form the central premise of this psychological thriller. Alicia's story is told through the eyes of Theo Faber, a psychotherapist who becomes obsessed with uncovering the truth behind her silence. The book intricately weaves their lives together, leading to a suspenseful and shocking climax. Theo, determined and driven by his own demons, navigates the complex layers of Alicia's past and psyche, hoping to unlock the mysteries buried within her silence. Michaelides introduces several transformative insights throughout the narrative. First, the power of perception is a central theme. The novel challenges readers to consider how personal biases and interpretations can cloud judgment, leading to potentially catastrophic misunderstandings. Second, the exploration of trauma and its profound impact on the human mind offers a poignant reflection on how individuals cope differently with pain and suffering. Third, the concept of truth is dissected, questioning whether the reality we see is genuine or merely an illusion constructed by our own minds. One of the most memorable moments in the book is the revelation of Alicia's diary. This key narrative device offers a window into her inner world, gradually piecing together the days leading up to the tragic event. Another compelling scene is the unveiling of Theo's personal struggles, which runs parallel to Alicia's narrative and further enriches the psychological depth of the story. These elements combine to create a tapestry of intrigue and tension that keeps readers on the edge of their seats. The author, Alex Michaelides, brings a unique perspective to the novel, drawing from his background in psychology and his experiences in film. Born in Cyprus, Michaelides studied English literature before pursuing screenwriting, adding a cinematic quality to his storytelling that enhances the novel's dynamic pacing and vivid imagery. His debut novel, The Silent Patient, quickly became a bestseller, captivating a global audience with its sophisticated plot and unexpected twists. In today's world, where mental health and the hidden complexities of the human psyche are increasingly discussed, this book gains significant relevance. It prompts readers to reflect on the unseen battles that others may face and the importance of empathy and understanding. The novel's intricate exploration of silence as both a weapon and a form of self-preservation resonates deeply in a society that often values noise over quiet contemplation. The actionable takeaway from The Silent Patient is a call to listen more intently, not just to words, but to silence as well. Silence can speak volumes. Understanding and compassion are tools that can bridge communication gaps, fostering deeper connections and offering solace to those who may feel voiceless. Michaelides' novel invites us to reflect on the deeper truths hidden beneath the surface and challenges us to become more attuned to the quiet cries for help that often go unnoticed. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for daily update. Turn on notifications to never miss a video. Comment your favorite phrase below and watch the next video for more tips.